Oh, I forgot the coffee intro. Hey guys, how's it going? It's been a long time since I posted my last video, I think, which was the probably one of the Accord update videos. Yeah, a lot has happened in the last 6 months, which I just wanted to update you guys on, and I still get messages about the Accord and all sorts of stuff because, you know, like, we're really enjoying that build. And yeah, anyway, so basically around 6 months ago, I quit my day job at NST Parts. I was the parts manager there. So I have a dream, well, had a dream, to launch my own magazine. I used to run Performance Car Magazine for 3 years and a few things like that, but my interests have like transitioned. I'm not, like, I still absolutely love performance cars, but I've also got into four-wheel drives and like outdoor adventuring and outdoor camping, like vehicle-based camping and all that kind of stuff. So I wanted to launch a magazine in New Zealand around four-wheel drives and four-wheel drive adventure. So yeah, the idea with that came around probably a year and a half to 2 years ago. I actually came up with the idea at the first 4x4 Outdoor Expo. Yeah, it was just one of those things I really wanted to do, and I knew I could make a magazine that was better than anything on the market here. So 3 weeks ago, that magazine went live, which is pretty crazy. Been working on that for months, and I really wanted to get the magazine out before Christmas, but just due to shipping around Christmas, it was an absolute nightmare. So it was a bit delayed, but it's here now and it's live. So that has been a major like transition in my life, going from, you know, cushy corporate job with a fuel card and a you know, company vehicle and all that kind of stuff, to selling everything. I sold the Accord to help fund this project, so that's why you haven't seen any more videos of it. I really needed to generate some funds so I could pay printers and designers and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so it all went smoothly and got advertising, and the magazine is currently selling, which is amazing. So but yeah, so that's that with the Accord. So unfortunately, guys, that is sold. I still have the Audi. I actually haven't really had it in the driveway for most of the year because I keep getting press vehicles to drive, which means I need to store the Audi somewhere because my driveway doesn't have enough room. But I did end up polishing that. I didn't put it on YouTube, but I did actually do the paint correction at Eurolab with Leo and the team. It was just a nice workshop to do it in. And I got some great advice from them as well, which was awesome, and I just love working around them. They're hilarious. So did that, so that's all polished and everything. Maxxis tires have actually sent me a full set of brand new tires for that car. As you saw in one of the previous videos, the tires are pretty shot on it. So I just wanted to, yeah, update everything, and so they're going on early next week at Panhard workshop. He's a good mate of mine and Land Cruiser enthusiast, so we get along well. And then we're also going to get it tuned soon. It needs the EGR cleaned, but we're probably just going to delete the EGR and give it a tune. Probably going to tune it with Hans TDI tune, and just, yeah, put whatever moon tune we can in it, send it to the moon. And then I need to get that rear bumper painted, which, yeah, I've been needing to do that for ages. So we'll get that done. And then for the main thing I'm working on at the moment is my Land Cruiser project. I was going to introduce that project on the channel and do like a full walk around, which I'll do briefly in this video, but it's currently in pieces because we've had, with the magazine, we've had a lot of sponsors jump on board with that project, which will be great. And like, we're currently doing the sound deadening. It's something I've wanted to do for a long time. just because with mud tires and all the stuff that you need on your roof tents and all that kind of stuff, there's so much road noise in the car, and like the stereo quality isn't that great. So Toto, New Zealand have jumped on board, Jay's Wire. They're supplying their latest X10 head unit for that build as well. Hyperdrive have come on board with like a Sylvan Vega subwoofer, things like that, and we're likely going to do a few updates on the camping draw setup with Ruben at Judge & Co, and we hopefully have some other sponsors coming on board with that as well in terms of the power system and fridge and all that kind of stuff. So what I'll do is I'll give you a brief walk around of the vehicle as it sits now. Just keep in mind that it's currently in pieces and it's, you know, it's not looking its best, but yeah, we'll do that. And I will be launching a full drive channel for 4X Journal. That will just be more for you know, brand collaboration stuff, where I will, you know, review cars, you know, things like that. If we get any press opportunities where they want video content, that's where that will be hosted. But this channel will 100% remain just, I mean, me doing all the stuff that I get up to. Yeah, just modifying cars and whatnot, more like a fun kind of channel, and we'll get more performance cars on the channel, and we'll get a performance car as soon as we can. We just launched a business, so cash flows, you know, we've got to be careful with that at the moment, but we'll get something as soon as we can and do that. As you can see behind me, I've got all sorts of oil and all sorts of stuff. I've got heaps of work to do on family cars and whatnot, and the new garage. And just a huge shout out to EcoFlow. Sorry, just looking at my copy. They have supplied us with a Delta 2 unit, which is currently powering these lights, which has been epic. I've been using it to do all sorts of camping stuff and whatnot. So yeah, anyway, thanks for that. Thanks for the watching my awkward intro and the lengthy update. And we'll catch you guys soon, and yeah, we'll do a walk around. All right, team. So this is my 100 series Land Cruiser. So yeah, so this is the main project vehicle we have at the moment. I've had this for, I think, nearly 3 years. Hang on, let me sort that one through now. And it has been an absolute labour of love. It's my first full drive, and to be honest, I probably want it to be my last. It's got 470,000 Ks, and yeah, I want to get it to 1 million. Oh, and here's the Audi, by the way. She's looking shiny, apart from the rebum. So yeah, anyway, so this is the Land Cruiser. I'll put a list of all the mods in the description, but yeah, so there's a bit going on, and currently, hang on, let's get the key. So currently I've just, I'm just stripping out of the interior, because we are installing car builders sound deadening, courtesy of Tauranga Diesel Services, and we are redoing, potentially, the draw setup and power system and everything. So the sound deadening, I'm doing all the floor and then the roof and then all the door cards, both in and then out as well, just to improve the audio quality. And when you've got all the stuff on the roof like this thing, it can be an absolute nightmare with the road noise, and also mud tires are fairly noisy. So yeah, anyway, so this is the Cruiser, rock armor rear bar. We have a rock armor front bar coming actually soon. It's actually in the country, but we are waiting on that to get painted, which should be pretty cool. Spin you around here. So yeah, obviously you can see Maxxis RAZRs. We've got the 70 series Cruiser wheels on there. We've got the twin Jerry's, because you need those. But yeah, no, it's just, yeah, heaps of mods. I'll link it all down below in the description situation. But yeah, so we also need to sort this Audi out. The tyres obviously need doing. And that bumper looks like arse, to be honest. But yeah, anyway, the rest of the paint came out really good. It took a lot of work cutting that. We had to do, yeah, a couple of attempts. Yeah, how good's the bloody Land Cruiser though? That's my Flatmates one, and yeah, this is my one. Diesel, 100 series. Got a few things coming up which would be cool for that. We want to go for a bit more power as well. Going to get a tune with Chris at Trundles, but we just need to do a few things before then. So we'll do valve clearances, inlet manifold gaskets, things like that, just to make it a bit more reliable. And he won't actually tune it without doing all that stuff, which is fair. And so yeah, and hopefully we can get G Turbo involved at some point. That'll be lovely, but no, we'll just probably build a turbo for now, some high flow thing, and then do a big intercooler at the front from Phoenix, and yeah, be a good thing. Yo. Yeah, currently looks like it has about a 9-inch lift, which is kind of funny. Down there, because yeah, like normally it has probably 300 kilos worth more stuff in it, drawers and power system and fridge and all that kind of stuff, so it looks absolutely hilarious. Look at that, holy hecka. So yeah, anyway, so yeah, I'm going to crack into doing the sound deadening today, and yeah, I need to start that process, so it's going to be a good couple of days, I reckon. I've never done it before, but should be pretty straightforward. All the kit that I've got from Car Builders is it's all like template, so yeah, should be pretty easy. So yeah, I'll let you know.